What's up, guys? Welcome to a brand new video. What? Yep, we're making a part 2 of Budgie Police. Look at this guy. Look at him. Look at him. Yep. Look how cute that guy is. Look at this frick. Guess what, guys? I have no idea what the heck this thing is. Frick. That's nonsense. Where did I put it? Last time I put it, last time I was outside and then I brought it back in. So, should be in the kitchen, no? Oh, I'm such an idiot. Oh, darn it. I don't have anything to put my phone on. Have you guys seen my phone? I mean, stand. Nope, Dico doesn't have anything to say. What about Dico? Where did she go? Oh, you guys see her? She's right there. There's Dicky. There's Dico. Dico. Yeah. Good. Nothing here to see. Okay. I guess I have to use out my stand. Now I just need something to put right here. I put something. What about like some cars? What about that? I'm just gonna borrow a car here. Oh, I hate cars. Oh, this don't move. Jeez. Oh, there you go. Okay, now we can begin the video. Okay. How do I? This looks a little bit suspicious to me. Ring ring. Hello. Yeah, I want some McDonald's. I want chicken nuggets. I want French fries. Yeah. And a apple juice. Ring ring. Hold up. Hello. Yep. What? I was just ordering some French fries and chicken nuggets from McDonald's and an apple juice. This is the baddest time in the world. Okay. This looks like a time for... Drum roll, please. It's a beautiful drum roll. Wait. Where's the dramatic pose? Budgie police! Oh wait, frick. Budgie police! Where did it land? Oh, there it is. Wait, yeah. Budgie police! Yep. Okay. 1 hour later. Where's the guy? Why? Is there a police car and the fountain? You don't forget it. Come on! What's the hold up? Hold up! Ow! My body's full of arms, legs, blood, needles. Ow. Oh, never go through a hospital, kids. Never. That is a true thing, though. Never go to a hospital. They suck. Okay, wait. It sounded like I was saying eggs, but it's Spanish. Forget it. You want some of this too? Yup. Budgie police. Yep, got him. Free king. Yeah. Okay, what to do now? Budgie police. How do you do that? I'm that fat. Yay! I'm free. Oh, hallelujah. Oh, hallelujah. Whoa, I almost hit a stop sign. Full flip. Ew. McDonald's truck. Yay! I love this McDonald's. 5 hours later after finding him. 12 hours later after finding him. 1 day later after finding him. 1.5 days later. So long, you turn into a 20-year-old. Happy birthday to no. 5 years later. I can't believe I'm 25. I'm that old. 20 years later. I found him. Forget about the 20 years, but pretend it's 15 years. So now whoever's driving this car is now 35. It's running the city over and over for 15 years. Wow. Oh wait, why are you driving again? I like to see something. Whatever, you just found him. You know what? I'm hiring a new cop. You're fired. What? What? Yeah, huh? I said it. I said it. What you gonna do about it? Uh-huh. Ew. Goodbye. Beep. Dun. Why is there still 2 cars left? Dun. What up, guys? Because it's now this cop's sister. Oh no, my squad. It's time to do the releasing. Why is there so much poop here? Please, for a video, I promise I'll give you a millet. Beam! Super punch! Pow! Ah! Oh! Pa! Ah! Flamethrower! God! So hot! Volcano acid! Wait, what did he say? So hot! My butt is burning! Help! Flamethrowers! Oh, holy frick! So hot! Snap! Also this cop has the Infinity Gauntlet from the Avengers Infinity War. He got Thanos Gauntlet and now he's snapping. Everyone dies. No, I'm disappearing! He's still alive. He just passed out. Oh, I'm disappearing too. I'm disappearing. and the mighty warrior won once again. Wait, where's the dramatic theme? Budgie Police! And also, hope you guys like and subscribe. Click the notification bell if you never want to miss a video again. And I'll see you guys on the flip side. See ya. Look at that cute guy. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Budgie Police. Yeah. Bye guys.